I'm going to show you how to fix the application load error in Steam. Typically, this happens when trying to launch a game, but there are a few methods to fix this error. Now, the first thing we need to do is fully close Steam, so we can press the X in the top, but then if we go down here, just make sure to right-click Steam here, and then click Exit Steam. Once that's done, head on down to your search bar at the bottom, type in Steam, right-click on the application, and select Open File Location. Once here, right-click on Steam and then do the same, click Open File Location. And then once we're in the Steam folder, you can see the Steam application again. Again, right-click on this, but this time select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, what we want to do is select Run this program as an administrator, and then press Apply and OK. Once we've done that, open up Steam again and navigate to the game that you are having the issue with. Right-click on it, head to Manage, and then select Browse Local File. From here, find the application executable file. So for this is DDLC. Right click on it, go to Properties, go to Compatibility, and again, select Run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. And finally, if you're still encountering problems, the last thing we can do is open up Steam, go to the top left, click Steam, then click Settings. On the left, select Downloads, and then press Clear Cache next to Clear Download Cache. This will restart Steam, and you will need to re-log in to your Steam profile.